up, guys?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hi, guys. Welcome to my vlog. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm gonna punch you in the face in 2 seconds.
Grace, did you do this?
We're back at school, and this is Emma. She's a famous YouTuber who's not as famous as me.
I literally have like 16 followers. Or 16 subscribers.
See, she doesn't even know the YouTube language.
Terminology?
Yes.
Yeah, get back in the school.
That's why you're my smart partner. So Fiona's here.
I'm here. You might remember me from the Lost in Africa vlog. We're out here abusing our cysts.
Emma's got the cyst.
T2 with
Monkey see, monkey die.
We need a beaker and water, and then boil.
kill that. You need to stop vlogging.
Shut up.
Are we supposed to put water in here?
No.
Here we go.
Yeah. Drop it. I've never heard of that.
They're back in the
Like a cinnamon
microwave.
roll, you should warm us.
Don't touch
What are
it.
they doing?
So what are we?
Oh, it's steaming though.
There they go.
Yeah, so they're gonna burn everyone in the crucible. Everybody
Chemicals. Wow.
What is it? There's like no top to it. So take the lid off.
They disintegrated it.
It's gonna be the mystery we solve this year. What happened to the LaCroix?
92.8.
So Austin's gonna die.
There's air.
Monkey see, Austin die.
Oh man.
Okay, Austin. Apparently seniors just like to fight with each other.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Grace and I are so unproblematic juniors.
I'm trying to get
Into the settings of your iPad.
Okay.
It's getting.
Actually, wait. Is
getting
there a blue
heated.
light on the camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
You said you
Now
don't need
connect to the one that says MCX Wi-Fi.
Why Wi-Fi? This one says
says Wi-Fi. She said
What are the
Wi-Fi.
4 numbers on the side?
I'm already there. What's the password?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There were 7.
Wait until I have it recorded. Which one?
7.
Which
There's
one was that?
6, I think.
And there were 7,
You
not 6.
think?
Go back.
One cyst, 2 fit.
One cyst,
2 cyst, red cyst, blue cyst.
Seniors argue, but juniors are just dumb.
Yeah.
There's our eggs.
Eggs and their cysts.
Okay, it's eggs.
It's eggs.
No.
It's eggs.
Eggs.
It's eggs.
Well, Lauren's always wrong.
Guess
so-
what? Don't care. You understand what
And
I'm
now it
saying,
says-
right? Boom. Roast.
Is it spelled egg?
Right.
Egg.
I don't see anything.
Egg.
Ew.
Oh, you're not gonna get that many views anyway, so it doesn't matter.
I have more subscribers than you.
You know what? You probably do. But
Roasted.
you post. Can we eject Grace from the group? Is that possible?
Yeah, Miss Abel said we can vote people off the island.
Okay.
Okay, bye Grace.
Yeah,
Okay,
Grace
wait,
is neat.
Wait,
Vote her off. Vote her off.
It's time for some hard goodbyes.
Goodbye, Pearl.
That was not a funny joke.
Why?
Cricket, get away. Back off. Back. Oh. Lauren, help.
Grace, do something.
No!
Wow.
I don't like it, but I respect it.
You're not cool.
Wait, do I have to write everything from third person?
That didn't work.
Fine.
All graphs.
Here's Austin with his graphs.
2 or more descriptive sentences.
He likes his graphs more than his girlfriend.
That's not true. I like them equal.
Austin's making a really big pie chart.
It's not really big. Jeez, Grace, you're so insensitive. It's average.
That's mean.
It's not a big graph.
You're average.
I'm Austin.
I like the colors. The colors.
The pie charts are really sexy.
Look at these. I was talking to Graham while I was making them, and Graham was like, don't make pie charts. People don't like pie charts. But you know what I said? I'm like, I like the pie charts, so I'm making pie charts.
Will you be the?
You can pull the wedge out of the graph.
What?
Wait, will you be? Yeah, that's what it is.
I can't do it. I can't do it now.
Wow.
Do what?
It's not even graphed anymore.
What if you just put two?
What time does class termino? That's Spanish.
In 4 minutes.
It means terminate.
It ends in 4 minutes.
there's a movie called El Terminado.
What?
Wait, you should save me the trouble and go to homecoming. Or
I would light myself on fire if you say no.
And then you just douse gasoline. Grace, you're onto something.
I am.
we have Grace on fire and then I have my sign right next to Grace.
That is so white.
Close your eyes and put your hand in this box.
Your mom in that box.
You don't. There's a fish in there.
A piranha.
Daddy shark doo 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 doo.
Daddy shark. Be my daddy shark at homecoming.
No. I'm shooting that one idea down right now.
What if I told you that's exactly how I want to be asked at homecoming?
And
I will say no unless you ask me like that.
someone else will say yes then.
It's brutal.
I'm not asking you like that.
I think I know how to do it.